Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to shade a circle in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a circle like the shape. Right click on your mouse, ellipse tool. Do not use fill. Press enter, hold shape and create the circle. Then step 1, create apex drop shadow. Move the drop shadow. Okay. Size, separate, distance, opacity. Okay. And step 2, again create a new layer. Click the brush tool, select brush tool without hardness, black, press enter. Click, press Ctrl T again, opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.